Big jobs don't always need big equipment. Instead of renting an expensive crane, we built our own. A welded steel frame that slides right into a Reese hitch. This crane runs completely man-powered, using a simple pulley system to safely lift and position heavy trusses. With the right design, it turns a pickup truck into the backbone of the job site, giving us the leverage and reach to set big spans with ease. It's proof that with a little ingenuity and some welded steel, you can replace costly machinery and still get the job done right. DIY construction solutions that make the heavy lifting simple. Every part of this crane was welded and built with durability in mind. The steel frame locks into the Reese hitch, creating a solid anchor point for safe lifting. By using the pulley system, we control the lift slowly and safely, reducing strain while keeping the truss steady. It's a simple design with big results, proving that creative solutions can save both time and money on the job site.